Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Thursday. How are you? You've reached Greg R. Baird of Gregor Speaks. Glad to have you with me. I hope you're having a good week so far. Wow, I got a lot of stuff going on right now. Pride Fest weekend here in Chicago is this coming weekend. And then the weekend after on that Sunday, the 28th, I always got to check my calendar. June 28th is our annual LGBTQ+ Pride Parade here in Chicago, and it's a big one. I'm like right in the thick of it. It's it takes place about a block from me, so it's going to be a very exciting time. Speaking of exciting times, I got a little video and things to show you at the end of this. I just like walking around or driving around and seeing symbols of pride, whether it be flags or people's houses have been decorated or courtyards. It makes me very happy. It makes me feel inclusive. It feels like there's a lot of love there and respect and safety. And there's always great to know safety in numbers and that our marginalized communities are being respected and loved and a sense of belonging. So you're going to see video and pictures of that towards the end. I've been taking the last few weeks. So it's just been really wonderful. Last night, I made a really awesome meal that I actually had Sunday, and I wanted to see if I could do it. So I made heirloom tomatoes with some burrata cheese on it, and arugula, and balsamic reduction glaze, and oh my God, it was so good. Last night with pesto cream sauce, my own pesto. So this is the dish. I know, doesn't that look great? Of what I made. And then I wanted to make this Brazilian cheese bread, these cheese muffins, and I did that right here, and they were awesome. I gave my neighbor Victor some of those, and he loved them. So I'm going to make them again. They came out puffy at the top, but then they caved in. So I got to look in and see what happened. It still tastes the same as they did on Sunday, but I wanted to redo them and see what I can do. So I got a few things up my sleeve. They said to let them rest for a while, and then the tops will be fine, but I did that. So who knows? All learning process, but it's been great. And that recipe was online, by the way, if you're looking for that. Loved it. Good dinner. So tonight I'm gonna make my infamous clam spaghetti sauce. It's a very clear clam spaghetti sauce that I do. It's very quick, onions and garlic and all that delicious. Anyway, yeah, because I'm gonna be busy. I'm gonna go see Disclosure Day tomorrow with a friend of mine nearby, so I'm looking forward to that. I'm seeing people loving it, and I'm seeing people not liking it so much, but I heard it was great, like the best Spielberg movie in 20 years. Who knows? And I love Steven Spielberg. So, anyway, that's all I got. I hope you have a great weekend ahead. I hope there's a Pride Fest or engagement going on. If not, create one with your own group, your own community, your own neighborhood. Celebrate love, celebrate respect, belonging, inclusiveness, be kind to one another, create communities, talk, share your stories. I will see you on Monday with a video from our Pride Fest. Yeah, subscribe, like, and share. I will see you on Monday. Take care.